The Bouncers Association of Meghalaya, initially launched as a platform to bring together youths and athletes from various sports, has now expanded and grown to become an organization that is looking forward to provide training and education to young people who are interested in security services. It also sees itself as an organization that will extend its services to provide employment opportunities for the youths of the state. The Bouncers Association of Meghalaya proudly inaugurated one of its branches in Giant Hills district on the 14th of September 2020 in a function chaired by Shri Sajiki Pasa, advisor of BAM Giant Hills district, and attended by Shri Wailat Miki Shilla, MLA of 2 Jowai constituencies, Shri Garrett LNS Dykes, Deputy Commissioner West Giant Hills district, Shri Puramon Kinjing Doloi Ilaka Jowai, Shri John Star Karbuli, President of BAM, Shri Yosar Kinjing, President of BAM Giant Hills District, PD Liatoy, and others. Those who spoke at a function were Shri Wailat Miki Shilla, Shri Garrett LNS Dykes, Shri Puramon Kinjing, and Shri John Star Kabuli. Each of the speakers emphasized the need to ensure discipline, manners, sincerity, and commitment to the cause, and continued efforts to bring unity amongst the youth and to provide platform for growth and progress in the society.
They was down like KG. Cut down line P. The champ Chibon in Rock come having them. What a dog keep. Dog ready. Tak wakan teh. Kesnyawi wa emsa. Bos dang lo ya bangsa association hani hari lo dia. Wa emha Ing mulai ya besar, Josar Kabuli. Udah perian, dia kencing terwa yang ha ini kelima.
Ini tolong penggunaan di yang untuk distrik yang mani ujung kepada Provinsi Giant Hills